Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and making sure your device location is on. This gives accurate positioning. Tap the search bar and enter the address or place name, or use voice input for speed. Once you see matching results, choose the correct one, double-check city or business name. Tap directions to load route options. This first step sets the route baseline, so confirm origin and destination before moving on. Once the directions appear, select your travel mode: driving, walking, cycling, or transit, because each uses different lanes and timings. Make sure to tap options to exclude tolls, highways, or ferries if you prefer. This customizes the route to your needs. Look at alternate routes shown on the map and compare estimated times and traffic colors to choose the best path. If you need stops, add them now so the sequence and ETA adjust correctly. You tap Start to begin turn-by-turn voice navigation. Listen to voice prompts and watch lane guidance. Make sure to allow rerouting. Maps will adjust for traffic or missed turns, so follow its updates. If you need to change route mid-trip, pull over safely before editing. One key troubleshooting tip: if your position jumps or navigation stalls, toggle location off and on, ensure high accuracy mode is enabled, or briefly open another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.